When life happens and you need cash, but payday is still a few days away, a service like Beforepay can be a lifesaver. But who exactly can use it? Let's break down the eligibility requirements. First and foremost, you need to be employed and have a regular pay schedule. We're talking about a consistent income from a job, whether you're a full-time, part-time, or even a casual worker or contractor. Your salary needs to be deposited directly into a bank account that can handle direct debits. Speaking of income, you need to be making at least $300 a week after tax. Now, a key point to remember here is that while some government benefits like Centrelink might be part of your total income, they can't make up more than 50% of it for you to be eligible. The service is primarily for those with employment income. So, what about the money itself? Beforepay needs to be able to verify your income. That's why you'll need to securely link your bank account to the app. Don't worry, it's a read-only connection, so they can see your transactions, but they can't make any changes. This is how they analyze your income and spending habits to determine your cash-out limit and make sure you're a good fit for the service. This brings us to the final, and perhaps most important, piece of the puzzle, passing their risk assessment. This isn't a traditional credit check. Beforepay looks at your income, your regular expenses, and your spending patterns. They're essentially looking for a history of stable income and responsible spending to ensure that using their service is a financially sound choice for you. To put it all together, you're an employee with a regular, verifiable income of at least $300 a week, your pay goes into a direct debit-enabled bank account, and you have a history of financial stability that allows you to pass their internal risk assessment. If that sounds like you, then you're likely eligible to use Beforepay. It's designed to be a transparent and ethical option for those who need a little boost to cover a bill or an unexpected expense before their next payday.